Renee and you're watching Bianca Renee Today. And today I am back with my hair model Michael from my last S-Curl video. And today we're going to do something different. We actually have a curl sponge, twist sponge for you guys to do. I know you guys have been asking for this video. Sorry it took so long, but we are going to demonstrate how this works today. Now, if you don't know what this is, it actually is a really easy way to create curls or twists or dreads, pretty much on how long you do it. Now, this one is called Twist. There's a whole bunch of different brands. This one's called the Tornado Coiler. There's one called New Dread. So there's a whole bunch of different brands out there. I personally got my twist sponge from Amazon for like $5, and this is Michael's. Where'd you get this one?
I got it from Wild Beauty Supply.
Wild Beauty Supply. Mine was $5. Yours was?
It was $10.
Haha, I win. So as you can see, this is Michael's hair right now. The texturizer has worn off a little bit, and for everyone that was leaving all the like dramatic comments that I've ruined his hair and it's not natural anymore, he's still got hair, didn't fall out, it's just a little bit longer, it looks totally fine. Texturizer is temporary, so let's all just calm down. So today we're gonna demonstrate how to use it on my twist sponge, and let's get started. So this is Michael's hair right now. As you can see, it still has a little bit of texture from the last texturizer, and he also used the curl sponge himself last night, so you could see a little bit of the twist. We tried to undo it for the video, but this is what we're going to start with. So first we're going to start off with putting some product in his hair. This is called Mane and Tail. This is a huge bottle of moisturizer or conditioner. So you can use this as a regular conditioner or you could use it as a leave-in. This was about $7. You can get it at pretty much any beauty supply or even grocery stores like Ralph's. So first I'm going to have Michael apply some of this to his hair. We're just going to rub it in his hair and leave it on for about 1 minute. Alright, so we let the conditioner sit for about 1 minute, and now we're going to start using our twist sponge. So there are a couple different ways to do this. We applied the conditioner to his hair. A lot of guys, they either put the product on the sponge and then they'd use it at the same time. You could try both, see what's best for you, but this is what Michael usually does on a daily basis, so that's what we're going to do today. So now you just grab your sponge, have the holes facing the hair, and you just continue to go just like this in a circular motion. So whatever direction you do, make sure you keep it that way or your hair is gonna be looking crazy. So we're just gonna keep doing this and let it rub around. All right, and as you can see, let me zoom in, it's already creating these like cool little twists. And we're gonna keep going. And once you really start to see all the pattern in there, then it's okay to kind of just use the whole sponge and just let it touch the other ones while you're spinning around. And the longer you do it, the more twist it'll be. So you could just keep doing it until your desired look. And here it is, the final results. So what Michael did notice is that my sponge has larger holes than his sponge, and it actually does make a difference. So mine made bigger kind of twists where when he uses his, it actually makes more of like a dreadlock and it gets really, really small and tight at the top. So depending on what look you're going for, make sure you take notice to what size holes of the sponge you are buying. And we can stop here, it's perfectly fine, it's done, ready to go. But we're gonna take it one step further and add some more product just to make sure it lasts throughout the day. So he usually uses a Murray's pomade, but I don't have that one, but I do have Shea Moisture, of course. So this is my 3 Butter Styling Pomade for men. It has shea butter, avocado butters, and it's for all hair types. So Michael, you can do the honors. I'm just gonna use a little bit like so, and we're gonna rub it in there. So that is how you use the twist sponge, curl sponge, new dread sponge, whatever brand you're using. If you're using this large sponge with holes, that is how it works. So this is a really cool way to get a new look. If you're tired of, you know, just your average afro, you want to add something different. It's not adding any chemicals. It's just literally rubbing a sponge in a circle on your head. Now this will only work if you have this type of texture, like an afro type of texture, it is not going to work on straight hair. Let me just put that out there right now. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please remember to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching Bianca Renee today, and I'll see you guys next time.